Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you the matrix. If you haven't seen my last video, then you can go on that, and after that you can watch this one. Okay, because I have covered almost up to types of matrices up to like diagonal, scalar, and so on. Now, today I am going to teach you a matrix that is okay. Okay, let's go. First of all, transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? Let's see, you have given a matrix like 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Order is 2 by 2. Okay, now in the question we have to find the transpose of this matrix. So what we have to do, we have to just take row as a column in the second one and column as the row. That means 1 3 2 4. What we have done here, you can see that 1 and 2 in the A, 1 and 2 are as a in a one रो. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने कि 1 2 जो रो में था 1 2 को हमने कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, इसमें दिस मैट्रिक्स एंड दिस मैट्रिक्स, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? यहाँ पे एक और दो जो रो में था वो उसको हमने कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. तो सिंपली ट्रांसपोज मीन्स क्या करते हैं हम कि जो मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है हमारे पास, जो मैट्रिक्स हमारे पास है उस मैट्रिक्स को क्या करते हैं हम कि उसको रो को इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं कॉलम से. ओके, तो एक चीज़ आप देखिएगा यहाँ पे, you must have consider one thing, that the diagonal element in the both remain same, because here diagonal element means aij where I equal to j. Okay, that is row equal to column. Then if we reverse this thing, if we reverse column to row or row to column, then what we get? Row column equal to row. Again the same thing, row equal to column or column equal to row. That's why we will consider here in this matrix the row element that is 1 and 4, they will remain at their position, because here a11 is equal to 1, a11 equal to 1 and a22 equal to 4. Okay, then 1 and 4 are on their place. Okay, because if we reverse the order, if we interchange row to column, then a11 and a22 will be on their same place, because a11 equal to a11. It's just like joke, but if you reverse the order, then a12 goes to a21, a21 goes to a12 place of a12. But what about a11? A11 is also a11. If we reverse the order, if we interchange row with column, then a11 equal to a11. Okay, that's why the diagonal element remained at the place. Now the one thing you have to consider about transpose, that is the order reverses. Okay, if a matrix of 3 cross 1, then after taking transpose the matrix become a 1 by 3 order. Okay, let's take an example here. Okay, let's take an example here. Here you are given let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, 2 row and 3 column. Okay, now taking transpose, the sign of transpose A transpose, this is the sign of transpose. Okay, then A transpose equal to, what we have to do, we have to in A transpose we have to make the row of A as a column in A transpose, that is 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. Now what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 2. Okay, because a 1 2 and 3 rows. Okay, and 2 column, 3 by 2. Okay, that's okay. Now going to the next one, that is the in transpose we have first one is symmetric and anti-symmetric matrix. What is this symmetric and anti-symmetric? In symmetric, if we have take transpose of that matrix, that will be equal to A, and in anti-symmetric that will be equal to minus A. Okay, so what we have seen here, in symmetric A transpose equal to A, and in anti-symmetric A transpose equal to minus A. Okay, now going to see again, one thing you have to here a star mark, that in anti-symmetric all diagonal elements are 0. All diagonal elements are 0. Why this is? This question come in your mind, that what is special about anti-symmetric that all diagonals are 0? Because what you say that if we take transpose of a matrix, and it will be equal to minus of that. Okay, so let's take an example, that if element of a11, okay, because after taking transpose the diagonal element remains same, that will be only a11. Okay, equal to the negative of that matrix, that is minus of a11. Okay, so so any element or a number which is negative of that number, that must be 0, because 1 not equal to minus 1, 2 not equal to minus 2. Okay, so only what 0 equal to minus 0, because minus is not minus or plus is not applicable for 0, because 0 had no any value. So 0 equal to minus 0, or we can say if we take in this side, that is 2a11, in this one 2a11 equal to 0. So a11 what? 0 by 2 equal to 0. So any you have just to remember that all diagonal elements need to be 0 of antisymmetric. Okay, now going to the most important types of matrices. Always remember this type of matrices, that is first one is orthogonal, second one is involuntary, third one is orthogonal involuntary, third one is idempotent matrix, fourth one nilpotent. Okay, fourth one nilpotent, fifth complex, and sixth conjugate matrix. Okay, orthogonal, involuntary, nilpotent, idempotent. Okay, now what is orthogonal? Orthogonal just means A into A transpose equal to I. Okay, we have covered the topic A transpose of a matrix. Now A into A transpose equal to I, that means here this is orthogonal. Okay, just note it, after that I will explain about that in detail. Involuntary matrix, in which A square equal to I here is identity matrix. Okay, I will give and explain about identity matrix if I have not given that. Okay, now idempotent, that is A square equal to A. Now nilpotent, that is A to the power n equal to 0. Complex, having an imaginary element on that matrix, imaginary element as an element of that matrix. Conjugate, if a matrix is given and we have to ask about that conjugate of that matrix, we have to just take conjugate of the every element of that complex matrix, and after written there, that matrix will remain conjugate matrix, that will be known as conjugate matrix. Okay, it means if we are asking about conjugate matrix, then complex matrix are already given, because we have to find conjugate of the element of complex matrix, and after taking conjugate of that element we have to write in a matrix form, and that will be the conjugate of matrix. Okay, that is conjugate of matrix. So it's clear, conjugate element containing matrix, conjugate element containing matrix. Okay, now conjugate of matrix. Now first one, what was that? First one was orthogonal. Orthogonal, that is A into A transpose equal to I. So